Hi, it's your favorite Nana, showing off my nails for the next 3 weeks. All right, so of course, I go have her fill them, and then I come home and do my own artwork. So I use foils again, and I also use chrome. So, and then I put a stone on these two. So I used a silver chrome, my grandson, of course, but y'all know he's always here. I used a silver, a green, and a gold. So, but yeah. So, and this is special edition, what's on my nails, because once I finish doing all of this and curing them with the top coat, I use Sally Hansen's gel. But you don't use a light with this. You just put it on and it dries and it just gives it a shine. And I also use it underneath, which I haven't done yet. And someone asked how I take care of my nails. So I use this cuticle remover from Sally Hansen also. And I use these tools. This one to push it back and this one to cut it off. So if I could turn my camera, I can show you my nail bag. That is what I keep all my nail stuff in. The stuff that I'm currently using. No polishes. And I'm not sure if I showed you all the chrome that I use, but all of these came in a pack, and I will leave the link to these in the description box. And for my long nail divas, this comes in handy. This also came from Amazon. Zip that for me. Thank you, boo. And this is my lamp. And see, it's a LED and UV. Amazon. So I will put the link to everything that I'm showing you in the description box. And let me bring out this, because you'll remember me showing you these that I got from Michaels. They're in here. And remember this. And this. And these came from Michaels. So I will find the link to these on Michaels and link them in there. And let me bring out the fun stuff and put these back in. So you can tell when I start deciding on what I'm going to use on my nails, I leave certain foils out. And these are the foils. Aren't they so pretty? Now these, I'm not sure what they came with. They came with something else, but I just put them with all my foils. And look at all of these and all of the colors. And then, of course, I have some in this pack. And let me put these up. And I stick them in here because, of course, the little packet came in. I broke it trying to put them back in there. Now these are the two that I use for my nails. So this is where the inspiration came from for the chrome, for the green, and the gold. Let me put these back. And I will show you the nail foil glue that I use. And what I found out is when I put the foil on, if it doesn't work the way I want it to, instead of me putting the foil back on, what I do is pull colors from the foil and use the chrome. So this is the glue that I use for the foils. Now I opened it the wrong way. And it comes with two glues. And these. And of course, I've already used this one. But yeah. So. And once this is empty, I will order a different glue, nail foil glue, to try. Because it's not all that great, but it's getting me by. So, and I also have all these stones. And this, I put all my glues in, and also what I use to put the stones on my nails. And then all of these are just different rhinestones, from small to medium. And this big old bag this one, as you can see, it has, let me pull this up. So if I wanted to, if they shut us back down and I have to fill my nails, here's all the gels up here for the gel fill. I don't think I have the patience for acrylic. Oop, it's on the stand. And here's more stones. These are the bigger ones. And these, that's what this came out of. And then there's those. So, and then you remember me showing you when I got the gel kit, these little polishes that came with it. But I don't really polish my nails, so I don't really use them. My files. This one is my favorite, which all the nail techs seem to be using, but it's my favorite. Here's more stones. These also came from Michaels, but this was when they used to sell them like this. They don't sell them like this anymore. I don't know why, but I like them like that. And here's my little drill for when I go to taking stuff off. And I keep paper towels in here so that when I start doing my nails, I have that in there. And then these were, if you do the gel nails, you put them on there, but we don't use those. Of course, that's a striper for designs. But yeah. So this was a special edition of what's on my nails, because That's what's in my nail bag. Only thing that's not in there is my polishes. And with my wrist being the way it is, I cannot lift it. So, to show you the box. And I'm not sure if I've shown it before, but if I did, I will post that video in the link also. So, yeah. That is it. I will see you in 3 weeks. Bye.